we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works, and especially the times that we are in now. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, it's time to re-educate. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and we do have a little pullback. We are the only game in town, but guys, do not forget about futures. And we know CME opens Sunday night, so we definitely have to get prepared. We should dip a little bit more, but also, guys, don't forget that Europe has entered in Bitcoin futures. So open interest definitely should break records, but we do know the Fed meets next month, so we definitely going to watch out for the signal. We know now they're not going to tell us the truth because we're too close for them pulling that rug. Why do we know this? Because we know the digital yuan is set up for 2022. 2022, that is the start of China, the dragon, the rise of China. We've already seen the fall of Babylon. We have all these people out of work, and now they have to go back to work next month to these low-paying jobs. So we know the New World Order works off problem, reaction, and solution. They've already created the problem. Now they're going to wait for the reaction. And remember what I told you, we have plenty of narratives out there. Now, guys, we have Ethereum chain split due to those who are not upgrading their validators, the nodes. But that is an easy fix. Now, guys, like I stated, do not forget to pay attention to the indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, and we have USDC. Make sure you're focused on the actual indicators. Also, treasury yields. That's very important because we know the Fed does what? Manipulate those yields with trillions of dollars. And those who have been with me from the beginning, you remember I print every single day. So basically, we went from 1 billion up to $1 trillion and beyond now. So, guys, we see the manipulation. We know about grayscale the whale. So, guys, we see all the moving pieces. You just have to make sure you keep an eye on it. Now, guys, we have teased those gains over 85% this month. And remember, I sent it in my Patreon. I let you know on this channel, these are real use cases. We also have Solana hitting record new highs. So make sure on my Patreon I keep you up to date with the moving pieces. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice, but please do your own research. But guys, if you don't have a lot of money, pick you 1 to 3 cryptos to sit down, do your research, and invest. It's a difference between trading and investing. We know what the 4th Industrial Revolution looks like, and you need to invest, not just trade. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. But getting into a little crypto news, we have brands must tokenize their loyalty and rewards programs. And if you are a builder, if you are a coder, and you know how to build apps, that is the perfect place to go, because everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. And if you can make it seamless for all corporations to make that happen, you're going to make billions of dollars. Now we have Ontario securities regulator bars the country's first registered crypto platform from trading Tether. And guys, we clearly know that Tether is going to be moved to the back seat this slowly. And we know USDC and Paxos and Binance is going to move to the forefront. And actually, Paxos is backing the Binance coin. And we also have Billionaire Bill Miller invest in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust with 1.5 million shares. So guys, we definitely see they want the exposure, but they don't buy the actual crypto. The reason why, because they don't want the volatility. Bill Miller said out of his own mouth that Bitcoin has 80% correction. And the billionaires keep making Grayscale a bigger and bigger whale. Now we have Ethereum name service now lets you use most domain names. And guys, again, everything is going to be seamless before they bring the masses in. And we already know the digital yuan is seamless. We know over in China they have 2 platforms that are used just about for everything. Social, shopping, paying for things is all on one social platform. And that's the reason why Facebook is so important. You know, guys, I've been over it thousands of times. And lastly, guys, we have the SEC signs contract with Anchain.AI to help monitor the DeFi industry. And guys, we know DeFi is the new banking, but we also know the banks want to know any and everything that you're actually doing. And the way they do it is by saying we're watching illegal activity. But no, they want to keep an eye on everything. That's what blockchain is, surveillance, global surveillance, so they can see everything. The all-seeing eye, and you can't see anything. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, those who new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Where everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks to see where the biotech stocks, and where everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.
This yesterday on the panel that I think central bank digital currencies were concocted in hell by Satan himself. They are incredible control by governments over everybody's bank account, and they are they're going to create a void of privacy for every individual citizen. I think they're horrible, but I think that's where
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends. So therefore, we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team save the village. Part 2. King Yashu and Grandma Tay save New York. From COVID Stories 3, Part 3. King Yashua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.